Isn't it exhausting thinking, will they come today or even this week? Will they even tell me? Can I trust these guys? Do they even know what they're doing? I'm Steven with SteveAndStevens Lawn Care Service. We address these common concerns mentioned before by leveraging technology experience and the right equipment. We make use of a phone system with automation. We even check our voicemails. What company even does that anymore? Well, we do. We have a streamlined estimate process. Whether you call or email, we can get an estimate to you within 24 to 48 hours. We leverage email, DocuSign, and client management software to accomplish this. We've created a custom calculator that assists the team in estimates. One of the best softwares we have ensure that you're scheduled properly. We leverage this in the field with our guys. It allows for them to follow a route. It ensures you're not skipped over, allows for accurate tracking with the crew. They complete jobs as they work through the route throughout the day. This simplified process allows for an app to be accessed and eliminates the need for paper routes or Excel, which some other landscapers may use. But don't get the wrong idea, we do have a personal touch. If you don't want this automated process, you can request a team member to meet you in person and we can walk the property, we can go over prices, we can answer any questions. The automated process is there as a tool to help most clients, but don't be afraid to ask for us to come out. Our collective experience is another peace of mind we can offer the customer. We have over 20 years experience. I grew up with my grandfather. He taught me a lot about quality and how to do things correctly. And Steve worked for his father, my grandfather as well. The significance of that is my grandfather's been in business since the late 80s, so our family has been in this business for a long time, which is great news for our customers. We operate on a standard of excellence. Steve and our foreman are also GIBMP certified, which is Florida's Green Industry's Best Management Practices. Is basically a certification saying you know what you're doing, along with a fertilization certification. So I say that to say this: we know the correct height to mow your lawn, we know what fertilizer to put down to promote growth, and how to best enhance your property. All this knowledge would not be helpful without the right equipment. We have commercial grade mowers and hand tools. These machines allow us to efficiently and safely service your property, leaving a phenomenal cut, which is evident with our customers who raved about our services. We're currently, at the time of recording this video, a 4.5 on Google, a 4.9 on Angie's List, and 5-star rated on Yelp. Please go read some of these reviews, they are awesome. One of my favorite reviews is of a customer that we've had for 4 years. It truly captures what we're about, and I can read it for you. This review was placed last year, so it was 3 years instead of 4 years. I've been using SteveAndStevens Lawn Care now since July of 2019, so 3 full years. It is honestly the best money I spend each month. Although I have a smaller yard, having to do weekly cuts in the summer, rainy season is too much for my schedule. Steve is the most reliable thing I can count on each week. He has only missed 2 Wednesdays that I can recall, and it was due to lightning. He shows up on Wednesdays, mows my lawn, closes the gate behind him, gets paid automatically because I opted to sign up for the auto pay, and I never have to worry about it ever again. Don't get me wrong, Steve is a friendly guy, he always smiles and waves, but he understands I have to get back to work too. I love referring him to my friends and neighbors because I know he's not going to let them down. At least 4 of my people use him now. I'm happy for their business growth and hope they continue to thrive. They deserve to reap the benefits of their consistent hard work. Go Steve and Stevens, smiley face. We'd like every client to feel that way about our services. Like this video, then share it with a friend, coworker, or family member that could benefit from using a provider like us. We can be reached by calling 352-584-5727, or you can visit our website at www.steveandstevenslawn.com. On the website, there's an easy to fill out contact form. We always respond. Check the description for links to our website, social media, and other ways to contact us. Thank you all for watching.